Thunderstorm warning for
Franklin County, northeastern Ripley County, southern Union County, Indiana, northeastern Dearborn County, southern Fayette County, Indiana, southwestern Preble County, western Butler County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Santee, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Fairfield, Oxford, Batesville, Brookville, Ross, West College Corner, Oldenburg, Dartown, Lake Santee, Salem, Riley, Blooming Grove, Metamora, Millville, St. Leon, Laurel, Scipio, College Corner, and Cedar Grove. This includes I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 162. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m.
Scipio, College Corner, and Cedar Grove. This includes I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 162.